been the worst videographer the last few days, partly because I haven't been home and partly because I just have forgotten to push play. But I wanted to share with you some of the progress on my greenhouse, and I have some of it recorded. So I have some of the windows recorded, but we got the windows in and the roof on, and so I just wanted to share with you what's been going on. So let me just switch my camera around really quick. As you can see in the video before, we got the roof on, and you saw a few of the windows go in, but I forgot to push play, or actually to ask somebody to record these front windows because I was not at home when they put them in. But anyway, that's all on. My husband has installed a screen door on this side and put in a ramp. My garden is here. We got to get this tilled, but we've been waiting because this front area here is where he's been driving to bring the materials down for the greenhouse. And then he filled in kind of back over here with dirt all the way along here. That used to just be weeds, and so he wanted to kind of fill that in and make our garden a little bit bigger. So our next step outside is to till the garden, and I was going to show you on the inside. You saw a minute ago my husband was painting the floors, so I can't go in because it's still wet, but I wanted to show you the floor. This is kind of a rubber roof coating, but my husband put it down on the floor to kind of help help the floor not rot out, with all the water and whatnot. So the floor is done and the windows are in. The roof is on. I'm super excited. So as soon as this floor cures, I'll be able to start moving plants out here. And I know that I have what feels like a lot of plants inside my house on my counter, but I know that when I get them out here, it will feel like very few. So I'm looking forward to getting more plants out here and going to the greenhouse. But I'm excited. So there's the update on what we've been doing.